Hello everyone, welcome to Dana's Reels. In this video, I would like to talk about WhatsApp channels. Well, we might be using WhatsApp for a while. We are either part of a WhatsApp group or we are using WhatsApp to send messages to our friends, or sometimes we are the admins of WhatsApp groups. So now all of a sudden something called as WhatsApp channels came up. Now, what is the difference between a channel and a group? Is channel better or is group better? I would like to talk about this in this particular video. Now, before I really talk about this topic, first of all, let me show you how to search for a channel or create a new channel, and what are the various features that channels offer us. Well, if you see my desktop, if I go to this logo, you can see something called as channels. Now I'm doing it on my desktop, but you can do the same thing on your mobile as well. So if I click on this channels, you can see that I have got my own channel here, and you can see that I have selected, or in fact following some of the channels, and I also have a way to search new channels using this find channels option. Of course, if you are doing this for the very first time, you'll be just seeing this find channels. You may not be getting these two sections. So if you go to the say all, you can search for a specific channel of your choice. For example, I can search for Netflix and I get all the Netflix channels. I search Modi and I will get Narendra Modi's channel, who is the Prime Minister of India. So if I click this, I get an option. I can actually see all his updates. So his channel is created on 14/9/2023, and from then onwards he is posting multiple updates. You can, if you are interested, you can follow his channel. So if you click it, well, it's saying that I'm following Narendra Modi. Well, if you want notifications, you can click on this unmute. So clicking this, you'll get the notifications turned on. And if you are not interested, you can click it back so that you don't get the notifications. And if you see, you can go to the channel info. You can see the profile image of the channel, and you can see this is a public channel. Okay, right. So you can always forward any of these updates to any of your groups or your friends who are in your contact list. You can also react to a particular post here. Well, I can say, well, let me not do that. I'll just say react and say give thumbs up. Okay, so that's what I can do with an existing channel. Now, if I'm not really interested, I can unfollow this as well at any point in time. So let me unfollow this for time being. Okay, so if I go back, you can always see this plus button to create your own channel. I create my own channel, and it say like anyone can discover your channel. Now that's the basic difference between a channel and a group. A channel is something that is open to everyone. At this point in time, as I'm talking, there is no such thing as private channel or a restricted channel. At least I can't create one. Maybe a premium user can do one such, I'm not sure. But at least to the best of my knowledge, I don't see one. Well, if you feel that there is a way to do it, please write it in the comment section so that the people who are watching this video and myself can also come to know that there is a way to do this. So I would like to hit the continue. So now I get an opportunity to create a new channel of my own choice. Let me close this previous channel. Okay, so here I get an opportunity to add an icon. Now I click here and I click this tennis, and I got this image, and I select this. So let's assume for time being that I'm a tennis competition organizer. Okay, so what I do, well, I host various tennis competitions in the city of Hyderabad. Well, that's what I do, and I create a channel. And now what I do, I'll say like there is a competition, going on in BHEL next Sunday. So I send this notification, and all the people who follow this channel will get updates. Now, how can they search for my channel? They can, just like the way how I told you, you can actually go to the channel section and you can find all the channels, and you can search for tennis competition. Well, it might be a little bit complex. So what I generally do, I click this share, and I give this, I copy this link, and I put it on my website. So the moment I put my the moment I put my channel link on the website, people who are interested will follow this thing, and they will approach me for all the tennis competitions. They can unfollow at any time. That's a different thing. So the basic difference between the channel and the group is like this. The first and foremost thing is, like, whenever I create a channel, I just create it like, tennis competition organizer. So people who are following my channel don't know what is my name, who I am, what's my actual WhatsApp profile image. They don't know my phone number. When you create a group, you are sharing your mobile number, and it is always easy for others to access your mobile number, and they can share that mobile number with others. Of course, there are ways of stopping it, but the other hassle is, like, if you are trying to create a group, you have to collect all the people's numbers, and then you have to add one after the other. But with groups, you can share your link, and that's all. Whoever is interested, they just follow. Or you can either put it in your website, or you can put it as an email signature, and you somehow share it, and people who are interested will just follow your channel. Now, the difference between a group and a channel is this. If you want to host your updates to the outside world, to everyone, use a channel. But if you want to have restrictions, if you want it to do it in a small community or section of people, then go for WhatsApp groups. That's the basic difference. But I believe at some stage WhatsApp may release features like restrict your access or restrict your channel to only a specific set of people, maybe only your contacts, or maybe people in India, something of that sort. Okay, so let's wait for that to happen. And the good thing about this channel is, like, whatever the messages that you send, they stay for about 30 days. Now after 30 days they will expire. Now you can only react, so it's just like adding a WhatsApp group with only read permissions to it. So you can't write anything here except that you can react to a specific message. You can forward these messages, that's a different thing, but you can, to the best of my knowledge, you can only forward these messages inside another WhatsApp group or to other individual who is in your contact as part of WhatsApp. But I don't have an option here to share this link. Say, for example, if I want to update this particular update to a group of people on over the LinkedIn or Twitter, maybe I don't have an access to it. I don't get the link for this particular post or update. Well, there are certain things which are different when you compare Twitter and this WhatsApp channel. I will make another video on top of this thing, but this channels is a very good platform for a large scale or mid scale or a small scale business people to advertise their products, and also to send notifications to large number of people, and also send notices or information. Say for example, if there is an electricity department and they want to communicate to a specific town or city that there is tree cutting in some areas, and because of which there will be power cut in some specific areas, they can send a notice. That's how a government agency can use it. A school can send the homework of their students on this group. A restaurant can send their latest new recipes that they are going to serve in their restaurant. A sweet shop seller can actually notify the new sweets that they have got. A dress collection store can publish the latest designs that they have got. So it doesn't really matter whether yours is a small scale business, mid scale business, or a large scale business. Anyone can make use of this thing, and the good part is you can just do it from your mobile itself. And at least in India, many people are using WhatsApp. So more than Twitter, I somehow believe, and again it is subject to correction, but I somehow believe there are more WhatsApp users than a Twitter user. So this is a cool feature. Give it a try. And in the next video, I would like to tell you how WhatsApp channel can be improved. What kind of improvements can WhatsApp do so as to make it a better competition to Twitter and other social media platforms. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.